So this product was given to me and I'm just going to be showcasing you guys about this product. It's by Crafty Crocodile and it's for putting on bracelets by yourself when you you struggle to do it. And it's I find this very helpful for people who need the extra help. Maybe they're like maybe their fingers are too big or maybe they have a disability where they can't they just need to use one hand or anything like that. So this is very nice. It comes with a pair of three, and this is how they look. They're very lightweight. They're not super heavy at all. Like together, yeah, they're a little heavy, but individually, they're not that heavy. And I like that it comes with three because you can put one in your purse, you can put one, have one in your bedroom, and then have the other one somewhere else just in case for emergencies, like if you go travel or anything like that. So I really like these because I don't have a bracelet to show you guys like how it works because I can't find it sadly. But I really like how these are, and yeah, basically you click here and help clip it and do what you need to do to put on your jewelry.